Kai here was complaining about his hair getting in his eyes. Well, what do you think about this? So, it's Tuesday the 14th of March. I'm sat in the subway. It is boiling hot. I'm sweating for the first time in months. Take that as you will. What do you have to say to the sun, you know, for his
Curse you, damn you to hell.
Oh, dust coming our way for some reason.
Dust clouds, tornadoes, death.
Interstellar is real.
The Arizona desert.
Deeply satisfying. Try what we're playing.
Spider-Man City Raid. Come on. Oh, double web action.
Way. No.
Okay.
I've got this.
Use that momentum.
That scene in, I think it's Spider-Man 3, where there's that woman who is just saying, "Go, Spidey, go!" No, it's Spider-Man 2.
Yeah. Alright.
I think today's been a pretty good day so far. As it showed when me and Kai were playing Spider-Man City Raid, our teacher came in, and this teacher we have been having problems with for a while. I'm not going to go into specifics or mention names because it'd be unfair on her. But yeah, suffice to say, we've been having a few difficulties with her. However, it seems that we've pretty much got her work out of the way today. I hope anyway, because we've been repeating the same bit of work since October. Anyways, I'm probably going to wrap up today. I hope you've been enjoying the more experimental stuff I've been doing recently. I mean, I've been attempting to go away from the typical I lie on bed and talk about my day formula and, you know, be a filmmaker and show what's actually happening in my day. Though it is nice to talk about what's going through my mind every once in a while anyway, because though I spout a lot of bollocks, I do have a lot to say as well. I mean, I feel everybody does. But without further delay, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.